Buenos días, clases, la profesora B, y quería mostrarles un poco lo que vamos a hacer esta semana. So I just wanted to show a little bit what we're doing this week. So make sure that when you go into the main page, our course page, you always have to click on the announcement. And I want you to read everything. One thing that I wanted to note is that I uploaded a set of handouts of Spanish 1. And this can also be found on files. If you go to files over here, right here, files. But here I put it in, and it's a lot of pages. I'll be assigning homework from these pages. So you have to make sure, it's a lot of pages. I think there are 63 or something pages. Go through this. A lot of this I already posted before, but I'm gonna refer to these pages. So let's say that one day if I say, oh, you're gonna do homework from page number 10, then you know that is this page right here. And I just wanted you to be aware of that. You can also find it on files. If you go to files all the way to Spanish 1 handouts, it's right here. It's the same thing. Okay? And this week I want you to go through the modules. And as you're doing all these modules, there are some assignments on bhlcentral.com that I wanted to share with you really quickly. If you go here, and I'm gonna go into activities. Let's go as a student, okay? So I'm gonna log in as a student, and just wanted to show you there are activities that are due, by the 19th that you can see here. And one of them was dialogues, okay? And for the dialogues, when you click on it, there are a few options. He's gonna have questions that he's gonna be asking you. And this also, if you're really having trouble listening to it, you can go into the textbook, and it's always in the section of communication. But I would prefer you to listen to it by yourself. It's just greetings, asking, what your name is. You can do auto advance, or you can do manual advance. And I'll recommend doing manual, because when you do manual, you can do question by question, and it's slower. You can control it. But if you go auto advance, it goes really quickly, one question after another, okay? So you can hear it, but he would ask, he says, hola, me llamo Martín, ¿cómo te llamas tú? So it's saying, hi, my name is Martín, what is your name? And what you do, you're going to record your voice here in complete sentences and say, yo me llamo Young Min Bae. And then stop, okay? And then you go to the next question, and you press. He said, soy de Puerto Rico, ¿y tú? And then you just speak here, record. Yo soy de Corea. Stop. You have to stop. And then you go next. There are 3 questions in here. So the next question is, so now it says, ask me questions based on the answers you see on the screen. I see. Muy bien, gracias, y tú, y hasta luego. So what kind of question can you ask? I don't know, maybe like, ¿cómo estás tú? Right? So you speak right here. ¿Cómo estás tú? And then you confirm. And then you can review what you recorded here. If you press it, so you can hear it again. If you don't like it, just save it. You can save it here and then do it again if you want. You can restart over. But if you submit it, it's only one attempt, so you can't turn it in again, okay? So you have to make sure that you save it, and once you're happy with your recording, you reviewed everything, then you can submit it. So don't submit unless you're very sure of what your recording sounds like. You have to really make sure that your microphone is working. So make sure that the sound, you go into sound in your computer and set it up that, this website can use your sound, and then record, okay? So make sure you do that and follow each module. Remember that in each module there are some like videos I need to watch, also exercises, okay? So whenever you see complete the assignment, you have to click on it and make sure that you complete it, okay? You have to complete the sentences, and I want you to cut and paste everything, okay? So cut and paste, and then so usually submit right here, and then you can do cut and paste in a Word document, or you can do text entry, whatever you wish to do, okay? And then cut and paste. Let's say if I was doing text entry, I would just cut and paste right here, and just add the answers. Okay? Cuando tengo hambre, that's number 1, right? When I'm hungry, and then you have to pick one of the emotions that you find in here. And you can actually download this. Okay? So if you download that page, you can see it right next to you. Here are the emotions right here. You have to pick one of the emotions from here. So when I'm hungry, you have to say, yo estoy, I don't know, look in here, which emotion. When you're hungry, you are enfadada. I'm a woman, I'm enfadada. So this you're doing after you learn the lesson. So, you know, you get the idea. So, and then you can submit at the end. Okay, so go through each module. Make sure you complete everything. Each section has 3 tabs, remember, okay? So you have to make sure you go through all tabs and then complete the assignment. You always click and make sure you complete. In this case, you have to download these pages. And then after you have done, you have to correct with these answers and then submit it, okay? So it's good to do on, I guess, Word document and then try to pass it on, okay? I hope you can follow the module this week. And I'll see you guys for the Zoom. Okay? Bye.